How to save Snapchat photos to your gallery automatically. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you'll learn how you can save all of your Snapchat photos in your gallery. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. First of all, open up your Snapchat app from your device and get logged into your Snapchat account. Head over to your Bitmoji icon on your top left. From at this page, you will see a gear icon on your top right. Tap open that, and under privacy control, you will see memories. Tap open that option. Here you will see save button, tap onto it. Here tap on memories and camera roll. Now when you tap to the save button, while editing a snap will automatically save to your camera roll. Also, in case you have turned on the third button off, then tap onto it and tap on auto save to memories. When you post a snap to your story, Snapchat can auto save that snap to your memories. Just like so, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We hope to be back soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated.